Hello and welcome to mycadsite.com, and this one is a real-world example from a job I did. This is a loading dock at a department store, and I had to measure each of these walls to draw the room, but the problem was I didn't know this angle or that one, but everything else is a right angle, so I was able to draw it, put in all the doors, the overhead doors, and get everything measured. But this is not how I drew it. This is how I drew it. So I was able to draw everything at a right angle, and then I'd modify the lines that I've turned to magenta so that you can see where I'm working at. So to get these lines where I want them, I start the align command, and following the command line I select all the objects that I want to line up, and it asks for the first source point and the destination point. So I select that, in this case the same one, because that point's going to remain the same, and there's my source and destination point for that corner. And the third point is something I'd use in 3D, and just by doing that, and I don't want to scale them, so I hit N and I'm done. And in this case they were measured to be fairly close but just a bit off, so I can just do a quick fillet, and that's done, complete, and well within tolerances for this particular job. So that's one way of doing it. Another way is to use the rotate command, and you've used the rotate command in all earlier tutorials. So once again I select everything, and my base point is selected, and now I'm going to choose the reference option, and so there's my reference, and my reference is going to be from that corner up to the line that I want to move, so I'm at that end point, and then I click to the other end point. So even though I didn't know that angle, I could still rotate it, and once again you see the lines are close just due to measurements, and I'm well within tolerances, under an inch. And so once again I'll just do a quick fillet, and there's my loading dock finished and drawn. Of course I'd want to change some lines over, so I can make those all on the wall there. And so those two tools, align and rotate with a reference. This is all in tutorial 2-3 at mycadsite.com. Thanks for watching.